Hello, cycling enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're gearing up to share 15 incredible facts about cycling that will pedal you into the world of two wheels like never before. Let's roll! Fact 1. The origin of the bicycle. The first bicycle, called the Draisine or hobby horse, was invented by Carl von Drais in 1817. It didn't have pedals, so riders had to push themselves along with their feet. Fact 2. Tour de France history. The Tour de France, the most prestigious cycling race in the world, started in 1903. It covers about 3,500 kilometers and is watched by millions worldwide. Fact 3. Fastest bicycle speed. The highest speed ever recorded on a bicycle is 183.93 miles per hour to 196.01 kilometers per hour, achieved by Denise Mullikoranek in 2018. She used a special bicycle and drafting behind a vehicle to break the record. Fact 4. Longest tandem bicycle. The longest tandem bicycle ever built can carry 35 people and measures over 20 meters 67 feet long. It was created in Australia in 2015. Fact 5. World's longest bicycle ride. The longest journey on a bicycle was completed by Heinz Steek, who traveled over 600,000 kilometers, 373,000 miles, across more than 200 countries between 1962 and 2010. Fact 6. The hour record. The hour record is a measure of how far a cyclist can ride in 1 hour. The current men's record is 56.79 kilometers, set by Filippo Ganna in 2023, while the women's record is 49.54 kilometers, set by Vittoria Bussi in 2018. Fact 7. The invention of mountain biking. Mountain biking was born in Marin County, California, in the 1970s. Pioneers like Gary Fisher and Joe Breeze modified bicycles to handle off-road conditions, sparking a global craze. Fact 8. The Cyclists Diet. Professional cyclists can burn up to 8,000 calories a day during races. They often consume high-carb diets, eating pasta, rice, and energy gels to fuel their performance. Fact 9. The folding bicycle. Folding bicycles were invented in the 19th century for military use. The modern folding bike, perfect for commuters, can be traced back to the Brompton bicycle, developed in the 1970s. Fact 10. Bicycle commuting benefits. Cycling to work can reduce your risk of heart disease, improve mental health, and help cut down on carbon emissions. Plus, it's often faster than driving in congested cities. Fact 11. Cycling and aging. A 2018 study found that older adults who regularly cycle have better immune systems and muscle function than their sedentary peers. It's a great way to stay fit as you age. Fact 12. Bicycle manufacturing. China is the world's largest bicycle producer, manufacturing over 68 million bicycles annually. The country is also home to the largest number of cyclists. Fact 13. Bike sharing systems. The first bike sharing system was introduced in Amsterdam in 1965. Today, cities around the world have embraced bike sharing, providing millions of rides daily. Fact 14. The bicycle helmet. Bicycle helmets were developed in the 1970s to improve cyclist safety. Today's helmets use advanced materials like carbon fiber and are designed to minimize head injuries in accidents. Fact 15. Bicycle-friendly cities. Copenhagen is often cited as the most bicycle-friendly city in the world, with nearly 50% of residents commuting by bike. The city boasts extensive bike lanes and dedicated infrastructure. And there you have it, 15 amazing facts about cycling. Whether you're a casual rider or a dedicated cyclist, there's always something new to learn about the fascinating world of bikes. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep pedaling.